Hello, travelers and language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common travel hiccup: luggage issues at the airport. Not only will we explore how to handle these situations, but we'll also boost your English vocabulary along the way. So, fasten your seatbelts, and let's get started. Scene 1. Lost luggage. Imagine you've just landed after a long flight, but your luggage is nowhere to be found. It's time to report your missing baggage. Here's how you can describe the situation to the airport staff. Excuse me, I can't seem to find my luggage on the carousel. I believe my bags have been misplaced. Vocabulary boost: misplaced, carousel, claim. Scene 2. Overweight baggage. Uh-oh, your suitcase is over the weight limit. Here's how to discuss this with the check-in agent. I didn't realize my suitcase was overweight. How much is the extra fee? Can I redistribute some items to another bag to avoid the charge? Vocabulary boost: overweight, redistribute, fee. Scene 3. Damaged suitcase. Your suitcase comes out damaged. Let's learn how to address this. My suitcase has been damaged during transit. Can I file a damage report? There's a tear on the side of my luggage. What are my options? Vocabulary boost: damaged, transit, tear.
Scene 4. Security check. At the security check, you might need to explain what's in your bag. I have electronics and liquids in my carry-on. Do I need to remove my shoes for the scan? Vocabulary boost: electronics, liquids, carry on. And that's a wrap on navigating luggage issues at the airport while enriching your English vocabulary. Remember, clear communication is key in resolving these problems. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be a pro in no time. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more language tips, and share your airport stories in the comments below. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.